Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today let's clear the confusion about the confusion matrix. Okay, so let's start with understanding what is confusion matrix, where it is used and why it is used. Okay, so I will be using ChatGPT basically, so don't believe in ChatGPT everything completely because sometimes it gives the answer wrong. Need to clear something, so I could have shown you, but in the above section it gave me the wrong answer about the confusion matrix. Like something's wrong and I had to clear it, and then I got the correct answer. Okay, so starting with what is confusion matrix. So a confusion matrix is a performance measurement tool for classification models in machine learning. So it's a table that allows visualization of the performance of a model comparing actual values with the predicted values. So what happens here is confusion matrix gives you the performance measurement, okay, in the form of the values like true positive, true negative, false positive and false negative. Okay, I will make you understand this, like what are these values and how they will give you the measurement of the model, like how you can measure the performance of the model. Okay, so basically it gives you the idea how good your model is in case of classification models. Okay, so structure of confusion matrix, it basically consists of 4 sections. True positive in the sense uh, the cases where the model predicts the positive class correctly. So basically if in suppose if you consider binary classification and if the pass value is 1 and fail value is 0, then true positive is 1 basically. So if your model predicts 1 and your confusion matrix also gives 1, or predictive value is also 1, then it is considered as true positive. And if the model predicts 0 and your confusion matrix or the predicted values are also 0, then it is considered as true negative. Okay, and false positive in the sense if the value is true but the answer is false, then it is considered as false positive. And false negative in the sense the value is 0 in case of actual values, and sorry, value is 1 here. I think I gave vice versa. Okay, let's leave this part, false positive and false negative, for now. I will make you understand with the data itself. Okay, so forget this part. But in case of true positive and true negative, true positive is 1 and predicted value is also 1, true negative is like 0 and predicted is also 0, like actual is 0 and predicted is 0. Okay, and why is confusion matrix used? It provides insights into the performance of a model and helps in understanding the types of errors in the model making, and enables to calculate the various performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. Okay, so these are also some performance measurement techniques in classification, like these are also known as evaluation matrix. Basically you get this question in many interviews, like explain some evaluation matrix in case of classification models and regression models. Okay, so in case of classification it is accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. In case of regression it is, I think, MSE, mean squared error, and root mean squared error, etc. Okay, and okay, let's understand this now with the example. So here's the data set. Okay, and like there are only 2 columns, and this is the target column. Okay, and this is like the variables or attributes you can say, and this is the predicted result of the model. Okay, so R studied is like these are the data points and actual result is 0 and 1. So basically if you studied 2, 3, 4 hours you will like fail, and if you above 4 it is, I think, pass. Okay, some random points, but just to understand, 0 is fail and 1 is pass. Okay, and the predicted result is like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and here it has done some mistake, and here also it has done some mistake. Okay, now if you look at the data points, there are total of 10 data points. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, 9 data points. Okay, 9 data points, and the confusion matrix also gives overall total 9 points. Okay, so in this case you will see that, okay, yeah, let's see that. Okay, so actual fail, actual pass, and predicted fail and predicted pass. Okay, now if you look at these diagonal going from the left till bottom right, okay, those are true positive and true negative. Okay, it can be vice versa, but this diagonal line which goes from left till right, it is true positive. Okay, it can differ based on what you want, but still these are basically true positive and true negative. Okay, so here you can see 3 true negative is there, that is actual fail and predicted fail, both are same. So basically actual fail is 0 and predicted fail is also 0. That means these three values are considered as true negative. Okay, that means the student has failed, that is the actual data point, and predicted value is also 0, that is true negative. Okay, and if you go to this true positive, that is pass. Okay, so this is actual pass, that is 1, and 4 out of 9 data points have actually passed. Okay, and the predicted result is also passed. So if you look at this point, this is 1 data point, this is 2, this is 3, and this one is 4, where the actual and predicted result is 1. So basically they have been passed, the students have passed. So that is true positive values. So if you look at true negative and true positive, so basically these are the you can consider like actual result and predicted result is always same in case of true negative and true positive. Okay, but in case of false positive and false negative, you will see the difference here. Okay, so actually it has passed. Okay, and actually here it is passed, but it has given as fail here. So basically if you can consider, it is giving us false information and it is negative. Okay, so basically what happens here is the actual value is giving you the positive answer. Okay, that is actual data point here is this one, it is passed. So passed is a positive, gives you sign of a positivity, but it is giving you like it has failed, which is negative. So that is why since it is false, and it is giving negative, okay, with respect to the actual value, that is why it is negative. Okay, so in case of here, it would, if it would have been 0 and if the predicted value is 1, then it is false positive, because 1 is considered as positive, like that. Okay, so basically here there is no 0 like fail, it is not there, any point it is not given. If you can consider, if this is 1 and this is 0, then it would have been 1 false positive. Okay, so that is how things go here. So basically false positive in the sense actually it has failed, so this failed, and the predicted value of it is giving as passed. Okay, so that is false positive. Okay, so hope you got some idea about how confusion matrix is. Okay, so it applies everywhere. Basically true negative, true positive gives like similarity between the results, like both are same, and in case of false positive and false negative, basically false negative in the sense their actual result gives you some positive meaning, but your result is vice versa and gives you the negative answer. And false positive in the sense actual is like negative and it is giving you some positive answer, like that. Okay, so in general it is considered. Okay, so here you can see true positive 4, that is the model correctly predicted that 4 students passed, and true negative is 3, the model correctly predicted 3 students failed. Okay, so if in this case, in this case example, if you can see negative in the sense fail it is considering, and positive is passed. Okay, like that. And false positive is 0, the model incorrectly predicted that 0 students failed, and false negative is the model incorrectly predicted that 2 students passed. Okay, so basically false negative in the sense the students have passed and it is giving negative. Here it is if students have failed, it is giving positive answer, like that like it has been passed, it is like that. So basically false positive and false negative like totally vice versa. Okay, so this confusion matrix helps us evaluate the performance of the classification model, providing insights into the accuracy and errors. Okay, so this is the overall idea how confusion matrix is, and don't get confused about this confusion matrix. Pretty simple, straightforward. Consider this data set, look into how values are mapped here, and take a screenshot and try to analyze the results here. You will definitely get the idea. Okay, so yeah, that's about it, guys. Like, hope you learn something from this video, and if you do hit the subscribe button, and till then, take care. Bye bye.